Get ready for a cozy fall-inspired soap. I'm making a cinnamon-infused bar with sugar to boost that rich, creamy lather your skin will love. So first, let's address this sugar. I'm just using regular granulated sugar. I'm using a cup of sugar, and I'm going to put that in a pot with a cup of water. And I'm just going to stir that, put it on medium to low heat, and just stir it till it dissolves. It took literally maybe like 2 minutes for it to happen, and it was ready to go. And this is obviously more than what I need, but I figure I'll just make enough for later batches and put it in a separate container. Adding sugar to your soap will increase its lather. It actually feeds the natural yeast in the soap, creating those rich foamy bubbles that we all love. Now it's time to check the temperatures, which they are both below 120 degrees, which is what I like to see. I'm going to be scenting this bar with Brambleberry's gingerbread fragrance oil, which smells just like gingerbread. And I'm also going to be adding cinnamon to the soap bar. Now I'm not going to add cinnamon throughout the entire soap bar because cinnamon can cause skin irritation for some people, especially those with sensitive skin. Cinnamon contains compounds that can be irritating or cause an allergic reaction, leading to redness, itching, or burning sensations. So to minimize that risk, I'm only using a small amount of cinnamon, and I am only using it on the top of the bar. That way, if there is some type of reaction, it could just be washed away. But for those who don't have sensitive skin, cinnamon is a natural exfoliant. It's going to help to gently scrub away dead skin cells. I decided to swirl this soap instead of just making it one solid color because if you go to Brambleberry's website, they will let you know that this gingerbread fragrance oil will cause discoloration and it will turn the soap bar brown. So I said, wouldn't it be cool to have nice brown swirls? So I only put the fragrance in the part that I'll be using to swirl, and so I'll have a nice tan and brown swirled soap bar. I know you're wondering where's the brown. I was too for a minute, but relax, it's coming. It just needs to cure over time. In a couple of days, this is what it looks like. In the comments, please let me know if you have used sugar or cinnamon in your soap and how it turned out. And for now, black hands are out. Bye-bye, guys.